Binge is recording. I used the remote. All right, so I want to talk about low back pain for a second. So a lot of us have been sitting an awful lot, whether we're watching Netflix and getting caught up on all of our episodes, or we are doing a lot of computer work and not getting up and chatting with people like we normally might do at the office. So I just want to tell you a little bit about the psoas. So with some of you, I have actually worked on the psoas, and it's not a pleasant muscle to have worked. It's actually considered a deep back muscle, but the only way to access it is through the stomach. So I want to just show you right here. Come in closer. All right, so the psoas is a deep back muscle, and it attaches from your 12th rib right up here, all the way along your spine, and then this little hip area here called the iliac crest, the iliopsoas or the iliacus attaches right in through here. So when you sit a lot, these muscles right here become shortened. So that causes low back pain. So what I'm going to do is show you a stretch on a foam roller so that you can open these back up, and so you'll have less back pain. All right. It's super easy to do. Alrighty, so this is just a foam roller that I have. I think I got it from Walmart or someplace like that, like, I don't know, 10 years ago or something like that. This is actually a short one. You can certainly use a long one as well. If you don't have a foam roller, probably the best option would be for you to roll up a couple of hand towels nice and tight, or I'm sorry, bath towels, roll up bath towels nice and tight so that it creates a more solid surface, and that will help you stretch your back. So our goal is to open up those muscles that I just showed you about, and the easiest way to stretch those is simply with the foam roller. All right, so you're going to take the foam roller and place it underneath your sacrum, which is that hard spot like this on the back of your hips. Place it underneath here. I'll get my shirt out of the way so you can see what I'm doing. And you can simply lie here like this, so you can see where that's placed on my body. And for some of you, this will be plenty of a stretch, and you'll feel that pulling through your rib here all the way down, probably even into your hip flexors in through here. And that means you're tight and it needs to be stretched out. So for some of you, this will be plenty, and you can just hang out like this. Or if you want a little bit more of a stretch, you could even bring your arms up. But the way that I like to do it is to, if I want to stretch this side, for instance, I will bring up, let me see if I can get this. Oh, yay, my remote's working. I'm going to bring up this knee towards my chest and leave this foot down on the floor. So if I'm really tight, this foot's actually going to pop up. And I'm going to put that down on the floor, and that is going to help open this up even more, because now I'm stretching it in a multi-directional force. And then if I want to add another dimension to it, I can bring this arm up and stretch like that. So right now, this is creating a really good stretch for me, and where I'm feeling it actually is right in through here. So you could do this on both sides. As I said, this might be enough of a stretch for you, just like this, just hanging out like this. And then you would try it on both sides. So you can bring this knee up. Oh, if you can see here, I'm going to move this. This foot, my right foot, does not want to stay on the floor. That's because my right psoas is tight. Oh my gosh. So I actually have to work to push it down to the floor. So it's probably not going to be even from side to side. So I'm pushing that down, my heel down towards the floor. And then for a deeper stretch, I can bring my right arm up. Oh my gosh. Ooh, this is a really good stretch. You'll find that you're probably tighter on one side than on the other. So, and then you have to try to get out of it. Crack your back while you're at it. So there you have it. There's the probably the easiest way for you to do a psoas stretch, a low back stretch for those of you who have been sitting too much, and hopefully that will help you in the meantime while you are waiting to get a massage from me. I hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.